Alrighty, day 2, part 1, finished. This is the 1998 Toyota Corolla VE, rear trunk, rear bumper, rattle can aerosol paint job. So, I have finished up with clear coating. Had to get to it. It was starting to rain, and I had to get her done. So I just wanted to show you guys, this is the final product here of clear coat. I used 1 can of 2K Spray Max 3010068, I believe, and 2K Spray Max, you can buy it on that Amazon website, and you can get it there. That's where I had to buy it. It's a 2K solution with a hardener, and you have to hit the red bottom at the button to activate the hardener inside, and then there you go, it does its magic. But I just wanted to say, I used it on the front hood, and I decided to try it again on here. But like I said, very pleased with the job overall, with the clear coating, and you know, I really can't complain. I mean, I would say it took me about honestly about 12 hours of work. 12 hours of work to do this bumper, and from primer, sanding, block sanding, priming her again, finish sanding, and then go on ahead and just throwing on the Duplicolor clear coat, Duplicolor perfect match, Toyota white OEM paint, and then I sanded in between coats. Anyway, and so that was that. I just want to do a quick follow-up. This is 9 days later from June, May 26th, when I did the clear coating on this hood. Haven't buffed it out yet, but this is what it looks like. I just wiped it down really quick. But this is what it looks like with that 2K product on there as well. And like I said, for what it's worth and your time, you can get her done. You can get her done. Now I just got to do the bumper and some other A-pillars on the car. And just, you know, there's more to do. This is 26-year-old. And as a bonus, I didn't show the filming because it was going to be quite hard, but I also did the roof today. It was quite tawdry in some spots, so I hit it up and primed certain areas, and sanded, primed, and went to town as well. I'm not sure what you can see. I have it in the camera in the air here. But I'm gonna I used all the same products, all Duplicolor products, Duplicolor perfect match. So at least the car looks respectable driving down the road right now. At least I feel a little bit more respected at 318,000 miles on this old Ole Horse. We'll see how long it holds up. And that 12 hours was part of doing the roof, so you could probably realistically, you know, get all this done, maybe, you know, 5 hours all the way down the metal, and then another 3 to 4 doing that roof, just moving around and just really just using stools to get there and reach in and out. But like I said, I got to practice doing roofs. Most getting the angles right. It was a little bit challenging. It was challenging to say the least. But I'll practice getting roofs done. How to get it, better reach, better angles. But overall, this is the car. Overall now, this is what looks like overall. So, hey, these is all one color. Say that. Alrighty. So, what I would say to get something done like this, right now I'm about, it's just time. Time and paying attention to detail. And I just want to say, if I can do it, you guys can do it better. And you know, it's those comments that have helped me out. I would say through all this time, you know, you guys leave good positive comments, encouraging comments, especially for viewers who are attempting to do something like this themselves. Yeah, you know, it could be quite daunting. You know, you end with the intention of doing something better, and you think you might end up doing something worse. But you know what? I don't think you will. If you care enough to learn and stick with it, and just do your best. All you can do is just do your best. Okay, well, that's my 3 cents. And you guys have a great Ablecraft day. Be safe out there. Take care of yourself. Take care of your stuff.